Very good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Children, today we are going to start our chapter Time Goes On in a book. Ulta Pulta Time. This is a story with topsy-turvy time. Children, here is a story, and in this story you can see there are some pictures also, and in Ulta Pulta time you have to write down the correct words, correct opposite words here. There are some words are given here, and you have to choose the correct one and write against these words. Let's start. As the sun sets, Sumana wakes up. Children, sun, when we wake up in the morning, the sun is rises. So we will write here opposite of sets rises. As the sun rises, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely evening. We will write here morning. What a lovely morning. She washes her face fast in 2 hours. Opposite of hours from the given words, we will write here 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes we will require to face our wash. So write down here minutes and runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few days, not months. We will write days. You can also see in these pictures that this is a morning time. She wake up, she washes her face and all that things. You can easily watch in these pictures. So she has been watching the eggs for the last few days. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out. But before she can blink her eyes in a moment, we will write here moment, because children, only a moment is required. Only a moment is required to blink our eyes, not a week to blink our eyes. But before she can blink her eyes, in a moment a cat jumps onto the tree. You can see her. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Doom! In 2 days, dash, it is on the ground. It takes only few seconds. So we will write here seconds. It is on the ground. Oh, how sad. The mango is not fully ripe. It needed 1 more week to become sweet. Children, few weeks are required to ripe a mango, not a year. So we will write here week, opposite of this ulta pulta time. This is ulta pulta time. So we will write week to become sweet. Suddenly, Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." No, we will write here breakfast. In morning we are taking breakfast. So we will write here breakfast. So children, this is a ulta pulta time. How long does it take? Have you seen someone knitting a sweater or someone weaving a cloth? Do try to find out from a potter how long it takes to make a pot. Also tells us if you take hours or minutes to have your bath. Is it years since you last had a bath? Ha ha ha. Think of many different things that can take different times. Make your table as long as you can. Children, here there are some small activities are written here which take few minutes, few hours and few days. Let's see. A bath. A bath takes few minutes. When we are taking a bath, it takes only few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes hardly. To boil a milk. These are the list. This is a list of the activities which take few minutes, like a bath, to boil a milk, to wash my clothes, to go to the market, to fill a bucket of water. It take only 2 to 3 minutes. to boil an egg, to eat lunch. In the same way, you can also write more activities. Take hours, like to stitch a shirt, it takes 1 to 2 hours. To set curd, a school day, to cook dinner if we are making a full meal or for a dinner. So in that case, it takes 1 to 2 hours. To watch a movie, to go to school and come back from school. In the same way, these are the activities which take some day, like to knit a sweater, to weave a sari, for a banana to become ripe, for the eggs to hatch. Like in the story, it takes some days to hatch the eggs, not months. Now come to the next page. Think of some other things, some faster and some slower. Make a long list. Children, here are some activities which takes only seconds. See, to blink my eyes, to snap my fingers, it takes only few seconds, very few, only moment takes to blink my eyes, to snap my fingers. This is to snap my fingers. It takes 1 second to gulp my medicine, for a fruit to fall from a tree. And here you can write anything, like ma'am write here, to drink a glass of water. It takes only few seconds to say thank you to someone else. And there are some things which take some months, like to grow wheat from seed to big plant, to change from summer to winter season. It takes months. For a baby to come out of its mother's stomach, it takes 9 months to come out the baby from the mother's stomach. In the same way, to make a house, it takes months to make a house. Or in the same way, you can write any other things also. See here, this activity should take only a few minutes. Here, like there is a line of children and it takes only a few minutes in a toilet. So I hope you understood the concept of taking the time in seconds, in hours or in months. So in homework, children, do the given assignment in your notebook. Thank you.